Alright, what's up guys? So in this video we have this pressure washer, joke of a pressure washer. Now we're turning it into a badass pressure washer with a little bit of TLC, some Kelly TLC. So what I've done, I've already done one flush. This is my last flush. I'm going to do just 2 flushes. And what I mean by flush, we're taking the boiler coils that have been rusted, that haven't been taken care of or maintained. Actually, this whole piece of equipment has not been taken care of at all. So we're getting rid of all the rust from the hard water. And when you have hard water, it just keeps running through, it's not sit or settled. Or when it does settle, this is what happens. The rust starts building up. So what we want to do is save ourselves $500 by taking some of this stuff, muriatic acid, putting half a gallon into a 5-gallon bucket of water.
Right. Then what?
Now, take the 3 gallons, 2 gallons in here, right?
Right.
Leaving exactly 1 gallon of empty space, right?
Yeah.
A full 5 gallons here, right?
Right.
You pour 1 gallon out of 5 gallons into there, we have exactly 4
And then we're going to run a pump. Look at that nasty water. Got this from Home Depot for like $100. It's battery operated, which was nice because I already have a lot of the power tools. We'll shut it off there. Now I got to fill up a clean bucket of water and flush that. So that's how you clean the coils from your burner. Save you about $500-600. Coming out clean now.